Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create an account with SciFinder. To get started, click on Databases and view full A to Z database list. Now you can either scroll down or just hit S and then find SciFinder N. Now it says you must register an account before using this for the first time, and you must use this login each time you use the database, whether you are on or off campus. So if this is your first time using SciFinder, go ahead and click register for an account. It'll take you to this page and go ahead and click next, accept the terms. Now you're going to want to put in your information. You can select your area of research. Library is not an option, so I'm going to hit not applicable. And you can select your job title. Most of you might select undergraduate student. I'm going to select librarian. And then you can select your username and password. And then select your security question, which I'm not going to show you what mine is. But put in your security question and then hit register. After hitting register, you're taken to this page where it says almost finished. Thank you for completing the initial step in registering to use SciFinder. You will receive an email message from CAS that includes a link and instructions for completing the registration process. You must click the link within 48 hours. If not, you will need to begin the registration process again. So if you get to this page, go to your email and click the link. The link in your email should lead here where it says registration complete, and you can go to SciFinder N. Now you're going to be prompted to log in. This is the wrong email address, so I'll put the right one in. And I'll make sure my password is correct. Now you're in SciFinder N. You've successfully created an account with SciFinder and you're all ready to go.